how to fix field error 503 service unavailable. So hello guys, today I'm going to talk about how to fix field error 503 service unavailable. So to fix this issue, you can start by first closing and then restarting the app. You see, when you open your field dating app and you find some kind of error in your app, you can just simply swipe up from the bottom of the screen and then find the field app card, then swipe it up again to close it and then reopen it again. Now the next what you can do is toggle your network connection. Just if you're on a cell, just switch from your Wi-Fi to your mobile data or vice versa for the stable connection. Or we can also just turn on your airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then turn it off to completely refresh your mobile network connection. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.